Good afternoon, cuties. Nandito naman po ako, si Admin Milon, aka Ipyat. Ang nobyo ni Ipyat. Nais ko po sanang magpasalamat ng marami sa lahat po ng sumubaybay sa aming pagmamahalan ni Ipyat at sa lahat na nagbigay sa amin ng pansay ng second mansari namin. Hindi ko po expect na magtatagal kami ni Ipyat ng 2 months and never kami nag-expect na ganun nyo kami kamahal. Siguro minsan may tampuhan kami pero naaayos din naman dahil din sa tulong ninyo, sa mga advice nyo, at dahil na rin siguro sa suporta nyo. Kaya I'm so thankful na naging parte kami ng Wild and Cuties group. Salamat din sa mga naging kaklose namin sa grupo, especially GF Tere, Sisi Mishi, Upo Jams, at sa kay Sis Sabana, kay Ates, kay Distin, Sharel, Lucky, Labanos, Justin, Eagle, sino pa ba? Dexter, Shy Pasaway, sino pa ba? Gibeya, Christine, Colleen, at saka kay sino pa bang hindi ko nabanggit. Basta lahat ng nagbigay sa amin ng pansay nung second mansari namin, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana po never kayong magsawa sa amin ni Ipyat, at saka sana mas lalo nyo kaming mahalin. Maraming salamat talaga. God bless po. Ipyat, pasok!
Hi, good day. Ito po yung pagpapasalamat namin ni Piat sa mga tao na sumuporta po sa amin. Ay nagbigay po sa amin ng FS nung second mansari namin. So kinolek po namin lahat ng mga FS, tapos inayos ko po siya. Kakantahan ko siya sa background na Born for You. Maraming salamat. Nagkakilala kami ni Ipyat dito sa Wild and Cuties. Sana ito yung magiging first na member o kami mga admin na magkakatuluyan. Sana inshallah pagbibigyan kami ng may kapal na magkikita kami within this year, hopefully. So malalaman niyo naman lahat kasi almost everyday naman kayo na nalalaman ko anong meron sa amin. Salamat ako sa Wild and Cuties. Salamat ako sa lahat ng mga admins. Kay Ates na naghihila sa akin dito. At saka sa lahat ng mga members. At saka sa mga nagiging kaibigan ko. Nagiging kaibigan ni Ipyat sa grupo at saka sa labas na ito. Maraming salamat po. Ito yung FS nyo para sa amin. Sobrang happy po namin na binigyan nyo kami ng support sa celebration ng second mansari namin.
So many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in hell? that you find a way to me. Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle that happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you, and a choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. So many foolish people try to come between us. None of them seems to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know what I belong in. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if there all to realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. And as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you.
I guess, Piat, I was born for you. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nag-FS. Makikita nyo na full support kami ni Piat sa grupo. We love you. Maraming salamat po.